Hey guys, it's Caitlin. Sorry, I look a little bit ratchet, but right now I am in the car, so I thought that I would do a follow me or a come with me or whatever the hell you call that stuff. But yeah, and right now we are at a gas station, and I'm going to go. Wow, ew, I look weird. Okay, lighting? What's lighting? I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, but I'm going to go cut grass for my mom, and yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. So right now she's not. Oh, there she is. But yeah. Oh, did she get a freaking coffee? Oh, butt muncher. But yeah, you're basically just gonna come with me until we get to the house. So yeah. But yeah, and here's my mom. Say hi.
What?
Say hi.
Alright, I'm gonna get you right now. I'm gonna have a shower.
I'm putting this on YouTube. Yes, I am.
You got my phone?
No, this is my phone. I thought you did. Okay. So, she obviously doesn't want to be on YouTube, but we're gonna get her. So, I really don't know what to say in this video, but I'm getting paid for this, guys. So I'll be getting $25, and I already have 13 with 25 plus 13. It's like $38, so yay! And I'll probably be going shopping. Oh, also she's gonna, ew, look at that pimple. Nasty. Also, she's gonna be taking me shopping like Wednesday? Yeah. So like I'm gonna be getting an outfit or something else. Like I can get like a book bag or something like that, shoes, whatever. So yeah. Either I'll just save my money up until she takes me shopping or something. But yeah. So that was like a creeper smile. But anyways, look at my get up, y'all. I just rolled out of bed. That shows how much I care. Well, I don't know what else to say. Say what now? Oh, sorry, that was like something. I hate freaking. Huh? Alright, well I gotta go. Bye.